Building, we going to Lim Square. Julian here from JulianTechTM, and today we'll be doing a $600 PC. You might be wondering why now do 600, last time do 300, then now do 600, because these are all new parts. I went to Lim and I did something new, which is I trust the store. I'm like, here's the list, give me the parts. I know the 30 series is right around the corner, but honestly, if your price range is below 800, the 30 series probably won't affect you that much. With that said, I did go to Lim Square and I took some videos, so let's go to past Julian. Let's physically go. I already checked all the price online. It's gonna be 658. Let's see what price they give me. Okay, let's see. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Yes. Let's see what price they give us. Yeah. This is what I wrote on the piece of paper. CPU 3200G, mobile A320, GPU 1650 Super, RAM 8GB, PSU you choose, case you choose, SSD 250GB. I didn't write any brand, they can choose. Okay, let's see. 650. Got cheaper or not? Say steady. The most I'll spend is 610. 565. Serious.
I double check one more time.
Yeah.
No.
588. Can boss. Yeah. That's right. $588. We got like a $70 discount. What's the perks of buying it new? Might as well do the $300 PC build, huh? The perks of getting it new is warranty. So I'm gonna list out the parts that they chose for me, and I'm gonna tell you how much warranty you get. So first, the CPU. The AMD Ryzen 3 3200G. 3-year warranty. Motherboard, Asrock A320M-HDV with a 3-year warranty. For the GPU, the Zotac GTX1650 Super with a warranty of 5 years. That's right, 5. For RAM, we got the Lexar 8GB 2666MHz with a warranty of forever. For the PSU, the Silverstone 600 watts 80 plus PSU, 3 years warranty. The SSD, Klevv N400 Neo 240GB, 3-year warranty. And last but not least, the case, the tecware Forge M, which we had it the last time with the $2,000 build, remember? Yeah, only 1-year warranty. Why? Tecware, not confident Good what? You confident put more years Yeah. But yeah, all of that for $588. And you know what? Since today I'm building the PC myself, why not I do a challenge? A speed challenge. Everything is set up for me. I'm gonna do a speed run. Hopefully I don't mess up any of the components. Comment in the comment section below how long you think I will take to build this PC. After we build this, after the video, I'm gonna sell this on Carousell for $588. Cost price. I'm not gonna even charge any service fee. With that said, I'm not gonna do your warranty or support things. You just get the warranty. Anything you need to do it yourself lah. So let's go on to the building. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Julian from the future here. This video got delayed due to the 30 series launch. So it's been sitting at my place for 3 weeks. But I believe the price of the GTX 1650 Super shouldn't change that much. Maybe it will change a little on the second-hand market, but that's a big if. Also, do note that the $588 price tag is without Windows 10. You need to add $100 to the price tag if you choose to build this on your own. I didn't add it because I figured the person could get his or her own depending on whether he or she wanted Windows 10 Pro or Home. Other than that, this PC was very easy to build. Do comment if I should do a tutorial on how to build this PC. It took me 40 minutes 20 seconds to build everything. Next, the benchmarks. Comparing it to other PCs I built, it has a 95% improvement from the $300 PC I built 2 months ago, and an 18% improvement from the $400 PC I built 2 years ago. It's on par with the GTX 1060 i7-4790K, which is a 6-year-old PC that would have cost $1,500 to $2,000. It's pretty amazing how things have improved and gotten so much cheaper. Next, individual game benchmarks. As expected, it can run all the popular games, including CSGO. Although the reason why there's no benchmark is because they don't allow third-party software, so I can't really benchmark it. But yeah, no problem with CSGO. It does struggle a little when it comes to AAA games like Division 2, but just turn down the settings and you should be able to play better than any PS4 or Xbox One console. Last but not least, just extra information, I am in the process of upgrading my benchmarking process so that I can benchmark more games and software more accurately. Also, I'll be building a 30 series PC for myself very soon. So before I get to the conclusion, the upcoming content is all about the 30 series and a lot of PC builds together with the Aftershock challenge, which, you know, I'm gonna build a PC with one of y'all. So that's the reason why I want to upgrade my benchmarking process. In conclusion, who is this PC for? It's for people who are on a tight budget but still want to game and also need it for simple office work or schoolwork. This is a good budget solution because the 1650 Super is good enough for gaming with a very affordable price. The Ryzen 3 3200G is good for any web browser, Microsoft Office, and even light photoshopping. And the SSD will ensure that your PC will boot up quickly so that you're always efficient and productive. And here's the best thing about custom PC. You can customize the PC.
No shit, Sherlock.
For example, if you need more storage, you can add in a 1TB HDD for about $60. And if you don't game, you can just take out the 1650 Super and it'll be about $200 cheaper. So do let me know if you're gonna build a PC like this or something similar. I hope you find this video helpful in your PC builds. And you know what time it is? Giveaway! So today's giveaway is brought to you by ASUS because they have been supporting us since very early in the channel. I'm not gonna give this motherboard, they just gave it to me, possible PC build. But this is some stuff that I can give away. Wired mouse, wireless mouse, and headset. We'll give away one, so you all can choose. And let me think of what's a good way to give away. Because I don't want to do this like comment a section and then subscribe, like the video. Very sian. You know what? In the description, I'm gonna add links to each of these products. Y'all will go to the product that y'all want, find out a feature that you like, and comment what feature you want with what product lah. You English, understand? Go website, see feature, post in comments the feature of the product you want. Understand? Understand? If you don't understand, I'll write supers, okay? Because I really want to thank ASUS. They've been very supportive. I really want to thank all the brands that's gonna work with me. Do stay tuned for all those videos. There's a lot of PC builds, so I can't wait. I know a lot of y'all want like a ROG build or a AROS build, you know, that kind of thing, and I'm trying to work with them for it. Can do even an MSI build, I'm not quite sure. Yeah, we can see. I'm very thankful for you guys, because you guys, the subscribers, the viewers, the people that like my video, are the people that make this channel successful, and I really want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. We're gonna reach 10,000 subscribers soon. Yes. Ding. Okay, thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed this video. We are done.